Buongiorno! Come stai? Sono Sol. Oggi cucineremo Tagliatelle. I didn't know if I pronounced it correctly, so if you're an Italian who saw this, kindly correct me. Don't worry, I will worry.
First things first, mince your garlic and your onion. This makes your pasta taste the best. Next is to remove your marinated chicken breast from the freezer. You're just going to slice it in long strip. So after slicing this way, you are now ready to slice it into cubes. Now we are ready to unbox tagliatelle. So this is a flat pasta that you will surely love. From a pot of water, you add 1 teaspoon of salt and then your vegetable oil. It will prevent your pasta from sticking together. Of course, the star of the show, your tomatoes. Once the water is boiling, you can now add your tagliatelle. So if you think ganyan din sila maluluto, you're wrong kasi we need to mix it well so it won't stick together. While waiting for the pasta, let's blend our tomatoes. Just add water. Then, in a pan, let's fry our chicken. It looks and smells like sisig, but it's delicious. For draining your pasta, let's add your butter and your garlic and onions. So once they're translucent, we're going to add our tomato paste, and then we're just going to mix it well so it will be incorporated with our minced garlic and onion. Then we will be adding our Del Monte tomato sauce and our blended tomatoes. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. Since this is an Italian spaghetti, it's a bit sour. So let's add 3 tablespoons of sugar mix, and then let's add our cubed chicken, followed by our pasta. Sarap, friend. And then halo-halo mo lang yan. Lagyan mo ng pasta sauce, and it's ready to serve. Yummy. Lagyan nyo siya nilagyan ko siya ng hot sauce kasi I'm a fan of spaghetti with hot sauce. Oh, of course, with a glass of wine since we are celebrating. And taste test. Yum, 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 yum. Let's try putting the spaghetti to our pita bread. Oh, it's mouth-watering. This is a must try. Okay? Yummy. Sobra.